Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the Tesla Cybertruck in Infinite Craft. First, let's gather our initial elements. Begin by dragging water and fire together on your crafting canvas. This will produce steam. Next, take that newly created steam and combine it with another fire element. This combination will successfully yield an engine, a crucial component for our future vehicle. Keep these new elements handy for the next steps in our crafting journey. Now that we have an engine, let's build some power. Drag wind and your engine together to create a windmill. With your windmill ready, combine it with another wind element to generate electricity. This energy source is vital for our next creation. Finally, take your engine and combine it with electricity to successfully craft a car. We are making great progress towards our ultimate goal. With a car now in your inventory, let's create the specific vehicles we need. First, combine electricity with your car to produce a Tesla. This iconic brand is a key ingredient. Next, to get the robust base for our Cybertruck, simply merge two car elements together. This will successfully form a truck. You now have both the Tesla and the truck, bringing us very close to our final craft. We've reached the exciting final step. Take your crafted Tesla element and combine it with the truck you just made. This powerful combination will instantly yield the Tesla Cybertruck. Congratulations, you've successfully created this unique vehicle in Infinite Craft. Now that you have the Cybertruck, feel free to experiment by combining it with other elements to discover even more fascinating creations. Happy crafting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.